Hello students, I am Dr. Ganesh Patil from KTJM College Nasik. Today we are going to learn chapter number 4, Measures of Dispersion. In this chapter we learn a topic, standard deviation by step deviation method and some examples of standard deviation. Standard deviation by deviation method. Let us recall first. In last lecture, we learned how to find standard deviation by deviation method, and we see some steps to find deviation method. That is, step number first, decide as you mean. Step number second, d is equal to x minus a. Step number third, find sum of deviation and sum of square of deviation. That is summation of d and summation of d square for individual observation, summation of fd and summation of fd square for frequency distribution, and step number 4, the formula to find standard deviation. And this standard deviation for individual observation, that is sigma is equal to under root summation of d square divided by n minus summation of d divided by n bracket square, and for frequency distribution sigma is equal to summation of fd square divided by n minus summation of f into d divided by n bracket square. In this lecture, we have learned standard deviation by step deviation method, and we see some steps for find standard deviation by step deviation method. Step number 1, decide as you mean, that is A. Step number 2, find deviation, d is equal to x minus a. Step number 3, find step deviation method, that is d dash is equal to d by h. Step number 4, find sum of deviation and sum of square of deviation, that is f into d dash and f into d dash square for individual observation, and f summation of f into d dash square and summation of f into d dash square for frequency distribution. Step number 5, apply formula and find standard deviation as follows, that is sigma is equal to under root summation of d dash square divided by n minus summation of d dash divided by n bracket square into h for individual observation. Sigma is equal to under root summation of f into d dash square divided by capital N minus in bracket summation of f into d dash divided by capital N bracket square into h for frequency distribution. Let us solve some example of standard deviation. Example number 1. Calculate the standard deviation and coefficient of variation for the frequency distribution of marks of 100 candidates given below. And the frequency distribution tables are marks 0 to 20, 20 to 24, 60 to 60, 60 to 80 and 80 to 200, and frequencies are 5, 12, 32, 40 and 11. Solution. We use step deviation method to find standard deviation. That is, we have prepared a table. Column number 1, class. Column number 2, mid value, that is x. Column number 3, frequency, f. Column number 4, d dash is equal to x minus 50 divided by 20. Column number 4, f into d dash, and column number 5, f into d dash square. Classes are given in the problems or example, that is 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80 and 80 to 100. Mid value, x. How to find mid value? Mid value is equal to upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2 is known as mid value. That is 20 plus 0 is equal to 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. 40 plus 20 divided by 2, that is 60 plus 60 divided by 2 is equal to 30. 60 plus 40, 100 divided by 2, 50. 60 plus 80, 140 divided by 2, 70. 100 plus 80, 180 divided by 2 is equal to 90. Then frequency given in the example, and we have to find d dash is equal to x minus 50. Step number 1, decide assume mean A. We have to decide assume mean in mid value, that is x, and we have to assume A is equal to 50. Then d dash is equal to, and we have to assume also h is equal to 20 for simplification of the calculation. So that is d dash is equal to x minus 50 divided by 20. X 10 minus 50 divided by 20. 10 minus 50 minus 40 divided by 20 is equal to minus 2. 30 minus 50 is equal to minus 20 divided by 20 is equal to minus 1. 50 minus 50 divided by 20 is equal to 0. 70 minus 50 20 divided by 20 is equal to 1. 90 minus 50 is equal to 40 divided by 20 is equal to 2. So we have to find d dash. Then we have to find f into d dash, frequency into d dash. Therefore 5 into minus 2 is equal to minus 10, 12 into minus 1 is equal to minus 12, 32 into 0 is equal to 0, 40 into 1 is equal to 40, and 11 into 2 is equal to 22. Then we have to find f into d dash square. So here d dash square minus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4, and 4 into 5 is equal to 40, or minus 2 into minus 10. Minus 2 into minus 10 is equal to 20. Here 10 into minus 2 is equal to not 40. Here you have to change that, here 20. Then minus 1 into 12 plus 12, 0, 40, and 22 into 2, 44. So we have to find summation of d square, and the summation of d square is 40. Now we have to find summation of f into d square, and f into d square is 116. Then we have formula that standard deviation sigma is equal to under root summation of f into d square divided by capital N minus f into d dash square divided by n bracket square into h. Put these values in this formula. We have summation of f into d square summation of f into d square is equal to 116. Summation of d square is 40. A is equal to 50. H is equal to 20. These values put in this formula, and we get 116 divided by 100 minus 40 into 100 bracket square. H is equal to 20. After solving this, we get 1.16 minus 0.16 into 20. 1.16 minus 0.16 is equal to 1. So under root 1 into 20, under root 1 is equal to 1, 1 into 20 is equal to 20. So standard deviation is 20. CV requires x bar. So we have to find x bar is equal to a plus summation of d dash divided by n into s. Put this value a 50, f d dash 40 in last slide's table divided by 100 into 20. After solving this, we get 58. So arithmetic mean is 58, and we have to find CV is equal to standard deviation into mod x into 100. Put the value sigma is equal to 20 and x bar is equal to 58 into 100. So we get CV is equal to 34.48%. So standard deviation is 20 and CV is equal to 34.48%. Example number 2. Compute standard deviation and coefficient of variation for the following frequency distribution, and the given tables are these. So we get a solution. We use step deviation method to find standard deviation, and you prepare this table. The first column is class, second column is mid value. We have to find mid value is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, that is 430 plus 40 is equal to 70. 70 divided by 2 is equal to 35. Frequency given in the problems or example, we have to find d dash. D dash is equal to x minus 55 divided by 100. We have the x 35 minus 55 divided by 10. 35 minus 55 is equal to minus 20. Minus 20 divided by 10 is equal to minus 10. And this is all this calculation is as it on. So f into d dash is equal to 3 into minus 2 is equal to minus 6. Then f into d dash square is equal to d dash square minus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4, and 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Then we have to calculate all these figures in the table as it on. Then summation of f into d, that is summation of d dash is equal to summation of f into d dash is equal to 29, and summation of f into d dash square is equal to 77. A is equal to 55 and h is equal to 10. That is therefore sigma is equal to under root summation of f into d dash divided by n minus summation of f into d dash divided by n bracket square into h. After putting this value, we get 77 divided by 50 minus 29 divided by 50 bracket square into 10. 1.54 minus 0.34 into 10. 1.54 minus 0.32 is equal to 1.2 into 10. So under root 1.2 is equal to 1.0954 into 10 is equal to 10.954. That is standard deviation is 10.954. We have to calculate CV, and CV requires arithmetic mean, that is x bar. Hence x bar is equal to a plus summation of f into d dash divided by n into h. Therefore 55 plus f summation of f into d dash is equal to 29. 29 divided by 100 is equal to 10. So we have to get, after solving this, we have to get arithmetic mean x bar is equal to 52.9. CV is equal to standard deviation divided by mod arithmetic mean, that is x bar into 100. After putting this value, we get 10.0954 divided by 52.9 into 100 is equal to 19.08. Therefore standard deviation is 10.954 and CV is equal to 19.08%. Example number 3. Calculate standard deviation and coefficient of variation for the following frequency distribution, and the frequency distribution tables are here. Solution: we have to use step deviation method to find standard deviation, that is sigma. We have prepared a table. In this table, the columns are classes are given. In the example, mid value, we have to find that. How to find that? This upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, that is 14.5, and same calculation is at is frequencies are in the problem. Then we have to find d dash. D dash is equal to x minus assume mean 20.5 divided by h is equal to 3, and we have to calculate this. We have to calculate 14.5 into 20.5 divided by 3 is equal to minus 6 divided by 2. 3 is equal to minus 2, and after solving this we get minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2. Then we have to find f into d dash. A frequency 20 into d dash minus 2, 20 into minus 2 40, and after solving this we get minus 40 0 10 10. And last column f into d dash square. F into d dash square, how to calculate? D dash square is equal to minus 2 into minus 2 4, 4 into 20 80, and after calculating this we get summation of f into d dash square, and f into d dash square is equal to 150, and summation of f into d dash is equal to minus 60. Then this formula for standard deviation, put this value in this formula, we get 150 divided by 100 minus 60 divided by 100 bracket square into 3, and we get 1.50 minus 0.33 into 3. After calculating, we have to get under root 1.14 into 3, and under root 1.14 is equal to 1.0677 into 3 is equal to 3.20. Then you have to calculate CV, and CV requires x bar, hence x bar is equal to a plus summation d dash into n into h. Then we get 20.5 plus minus 60 divided by 100 into 10, and we get 20.5 plus 0.6 into 0.3 is equal to 18.7. So x bar, that is arithmetic mean, is equal to 18.7. Then CV is equal to sigma into x bar mod x bar into 100. Put this value, sigma is equal to 3.20, x bar is equal to 18.7 into 100, that is CV is equal to 17.11. That is CV is equal to 17.11. So sigma is equal to 3.20 and CV is equal to 17.11. Then student, let us remember this standard deviation by step deviation method. First, decide assume mean a bar. Step 2, find deviation d is equal to x minus a. Step 3, find the step deviation d dash is equal to d by h. Step 4, find sum of deviation and sum of square of deviation, that is summation of d dash and summation of d dash square for individual observation, summation of f d dash and summation of f d dash square for frequency distribution. Apply formula and find standard deviation. For individual observation, you use formula sigma is equal to under root summation of d dash square into n minus summation of d dash divided by n bracket square into h, and for frequency distribution you use formula under root summation of f d dash square into n minus f summation of f into d dash divided by n bracket square into h. So student, today we stop here. You will solve an assignment, and this problem, this is very simple problem to solve. Compute CV of given data below by step deviation method. You will solve this problem for step deviation method, and you will ask coefficient of variation. So this is a frequency distribution table. First we have to solve standard deviation, and then we have to solve CV. Formula of CV is equal to sigma, that is standard deviation, divided by arithmetic mean, that is mod x bar into 100. Student, solve this example, scan and send to the Google Classroom. Okay student, if you have any difficulty, any problem related to this topic, you can send the email on ganeshpatil@ktgmcollege.ac.in. Thank you.